Understanding Research Papers, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We are going to explore the concept of research papers. This term is commonly used in academic and professional settings, so understanding it is crucial for English language learners. Let's dive into what a research paper is, its purpose, and why it's important. A research paper is a detailed document that presents information gathered through thorough investigation. It's not just a collection of facts. It involves critical analysis, interpretation, and a clear argument. Research papers are common in universities and research institutions, and they are a way to share new findings or insights with the academic community. Every research paper contains several key elements. The most important are: title, captures the essence of your paper; abstract, a brief summary of your research; introduction, introduces your topic and states your research question or thesis; methodology, explains how you conducted your research; results, presents the data or findings of your study; discussion, interprets the results and discusses their implications; conclusion, summarizes the research and suggests future research possibilities; references, lists the sources you used in your research. Research papers serve several purposes. Advancing knowledge, they contribute new information or perspectives to a field of study. Developing skills, writing a research paper helps in developing critical thinking, research, and writing skills. Academic requirement, often, they are a requirement for academic degrees. Professional development, they can enhance a professional's credibility and expertise in their field. Writing a research paper can be challenging, but these tips can help. 1. Choose a clear topic. Pick a topic that interests you and is not too broad. 2. Research thoroughly. Use credible sources like academic journals and books. 3. Organize your thoughts. Create an outline before you start writing. 4. Write clearly and concisely. Avoid complex language and stay focused on your topic. 5. Cite sources properly. To avoid plagiarism, always give credit to the sources you use. I hope this video has helped you understand what a research paper is and its significance in academic and professional settings. Remember, writing a research paper is a skill that improves with practice. Keep exploring, learning, and don't hesitate to seek help when needed. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.